Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be frying green plantain. I'm cutting off the two ends of the plantain. Then I will cut the plantain in two halves, making it easier to peel. I'm cutting a shallow slit down the length of one ridge between the flesh and the skin. Then I will peel each half. I'm going to cut each half crosswise to make rounds. At this point, you may sprinkle salt on the rounds. I need to clean the knives, so I'm going to use cooking oil. I'm going to rub the cooking oil over each knife and then wash using detergent and water. The rounds I'm going to fry over a medium flame, turning each piece on all sides until cooked. The plantain is now ready to be crushed. I'm going to turn off the stove to prevent the plantain from getting too crisp. Then I'm going to crush the cooked plantain between foil wrap. A piece of paper towel is placed under the foil wrap to prevent the hand from getting burned. I'm placing the plantain to one side of the foil, then I'm going to fold the foil wrap over the plantain and apply pressure to it. I'm going to use a fork to remove the crushed plantain from the foil wrap. I'm going to fry these over a high flame until both sides are crisp. Drain on paper towel, and now my plantain is ready to be served. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Dr. Baillie. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.